Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Shahza Latif is here with the IE, IGCSE, ICT module website authoring. This video is about creating CSS file for T head, T body and T foot. So in examination, examiner talks about create a CS file for these three tags and add commands to a style sheet. So by using the starting tag and ending tag. So let's begin and continue with CSS file. So open text editor, which I use for designing a web page, a Dreamweaver, what you see in what you get. I have created this HTML file in it. So let's continue with the new file CSS, because I'm going to define three tags for T head, T body and T foot. So as I click on this, this is a sheet where I can design some new tags for T head, T foot and T body. But if you see, before working on this, if you see clearly on the top of this sheet, so here's this slash and asterisk. So CSS document, this is starting tag and closing tag. So your text must have slash and asterisk before it and asterisk and slash after it, so that browser knows to ignore it. Comments have no effects on the layout of a document, either on the HTML page or on CSS file. So let's write a comment between these two tags. Where's the opening and closing tag? Suppose this style sheet is about T head, T body and T foot. T foot. So if I highlight this, so remember this is a opening tag and closing tag. So let's have and add one more comment. Same, the front slash and asterisk is a opening tag for comments. So done by me. So asterisk first, then slash, closing tag here. Close it. So this is how we can add a comments to a style sheet. So let's continue with a new tags. So just click on this, the new CSS rule, get a tag elements from this given list. So here I want to define T head. So or you get it from this list. Okay. So I would like to set my BG color for T head is this. So apply BG color this. So okay. Further, next have a T body. So first of all select tag and T body. So select is T body tag. Okay. So I would like to set my BG color, this BG color for body, for T body. So apply and OK. T head, T body. So last one is T foot. So find T foot, So this is T foot tag. Okay, and this time I would like to set background color is red. So okay. So this tag is for T head, T body and T foot. So so far this is not saved. So you must save your file first. Write Control S, name it first, T head, then save it. So understood, it will save it with the CSS format. So I have this file. This is my CSS file. This is my HTML file. So I will come to HTML and insert one table. Remember, I have mentioned table structures in my previous lecture series. So this time I will select this table view. So select it and draw it, tables, and so 3 rows and 3 columns. Select it here. So this one is, you delete it, this one. So this is my table view. Select and align it center. So just make it visible. So remember, the top row is T head, second and third row is T foot, and last row is T foot. So this is T body and this is T foot. So let's come over here, and if I select my table like this, so you just see this shaded area on the top row. This is my T head. I am going to define top row with the 3 columns is a T head. This is I am going to define for T body, and last row is T foot. So let's see and define the first row as a T head. So place a T head tag, T head, opening tag and closing tag. Open it and close it. So T head, closing tag. Next row, this part, this section I am going to define it as T body. So open tag for T body, T body, and close this tag here. So I have closed it, and last row is about T foot. Opening tag and closing tag. So let's have a double check. I had set the first row with the 3 columns, T head. I had defined the second and third row for T body, and I had defined the last row for T foot. So if I click on this, so as this is my area, and let's come and attach a file, this file with this T head. Okay, so now how would I know it has been attached? Let's come back to this, and this area linked file, this is my CSS file which I had recently linked with my HTML file. So examiner often asks us attach a linked CSS file with the HTML file and highlight those areas where you have attached it. So we use highlighter before handing over to the examiner. So make sure has it been attached or not. It has been attached. So let's see and get a result here. As if you remember, I had set the first row for a T head, and I had defined a color for this. Then I had defined a different color for T body and different color for T head, but there is no color. I don't see a color in it. But as I see a view in the browser. So save this file as I just save it, and I'm going to view in the browser. So just see and get result. Look, this is my browser view. This is my browser view. So for just go and come back to your design view and set here is a column like this. You know, this is perfect example of what you see in and what you get. What you see in and what you get. Whereas I had set up a different color, but our design view does not show a result in it. But as I view it in the browser, so it shows a result here. Just save it and view it in the browser. This is my browser view. So you know, this term what you see in what you get sometimes is not implemented. In this case, we also have an exception where we don't get what we want, but as we see a browser view, so we are able to see a desired result. This is a very important point that must keep in mind. So that's all for today, and I hope my lecture series are helpful for you. Stay tuned for my next lecture. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.